There are numerous dubious gadgets available on Amazon that one should ideally not be able to purchase, yet they remain accessible. These include astonishing hacker watches, do-it-yourself lockpicks, and an excessively powerful laser pointer unsuitable for a regular PowerPoint presentation. Here are a few Amazon gadgets that ought to be prohibited. As always, the links to all these gadgets can be found in the description below, and it is essential to handle them responsibly. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Flipper Zero. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to access a tagged door but have forgotten your keys, the Flipper Zero hacking device can be of assistance. This compact tool, suitable for pen testers, geeks, ethical hackers, and hardware hobbyists, serves as a pocket-sized multi-tool. It incorporates various functionalities like infrared, hardware debugging, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and more. Remarkably, it operates independently without the need for an external computer or hardware. Its 5-way navigation button and LCD screen control all functions. By connecting it to a computer or utilizing the provided Android or iOS apps, the flipper can be extended, customized, upgraded, and reprogrammed according to individual requirements. DS-Type D OrthoWatch V3. The DS-Type D OrthoWatch V3 is an exceptional development board that combines the features of a regular watch with the convenience of a wearable device. Designed to be worn like a smartwatch, this powerful tool enables a range of Wi-Fi network attacks, making it an ideal choice for testing network security. Alongside its built-in capabilities, the D OrthoWatch is user-friendly and programmable, making it particularly suitable for those interested in software development. Additionally, it can function as a flashlight during emergencies. Whether you are a security professional or an enthusiast, the D OrthoWatch offers versatility and convenience for exploring the realm of Wi-Fi security. A green laser pointer. The next impressive tool on our list is here. This device allows you to effortlessly target distant objects or stars and even send out SOS signals. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this 50,000 megawatt green laser pointer is built to last. Its silver body lends it a vibrant and distinctive appearance during nighttime use. Green lasers are particularly appealing as they emit one of the most visible laser beam colors, making them perfect for demonstrations, presentations, special effects, and even movies. However, it is crucial to exercise caution with green lasers, as they can be hazardous if mishandled. Directly pointing them at someone's eyes can cause eye damage, and they can also distract pilots and drivers. It is vital to use green lasers responsibly, adhere to safety guidelines, and stay aware of local laws and regulations governing laser usage. In summary, green lasers are fascinating but must be handled responsibly with care. Glock 18 lighter. Please note that the following description is not as it initially appears. With a simple trigger pull, this extraordinary device ignites a flame, transforming an unusual Glock 18 into a functional and stylish lighter. It's undoubtedly an eye-catching addition to your collection. However, it is important to exercise caution and avoid bringing it along on trips where heightened security measures are in place. It may be advisable to stick to a regular lighter, especially when meeting your girlfriend's parents for the first time. Yellow Jacket Stun Gun Phone Case. Now, let's explore the Yellow Jacket Stun Gun phone case displayed on your screen. It is a 3-in-1 multifunctional self-defense accessory for your cell phone. Designed to protect both you and your phone while also charging your battery, this accessory offers a unique feature. It's the only stun gun that can recharge your phone. The concealed stun gun is seamlessly integrated into the smartphone case, ensuring no suspicion or attention is drawn while carrying it. It proves to be an excellent gadget for personal safety. To prevent accidental self-stunning, it includes a dual push trigger system. Home Police Light Strobe. Up next, we have the Welcome Home Police Light Strobe, a powerful and convenient way to enhance your visibility on the road. However, it's worth noting that the law enforcement may not appreciate the use of this strobe light. While it does improve safety and visibility, it also adds a stylish and distinctive touch to your vehicle, ensuring you never find yourself lost in traffic again. Flash Shark Muffler. This Flash Shark muffler is equipped with a light offering a universal exhaust that provides a distinct and stylish enhancement for your car or truck. The creative design produces a captivating blue visual effect when connected to your vehicle, making it a must-have for enthusiasts of car modifications. It is waterproof, easy to install, and customizable. You can choose to install it on the brake lights or the headlights. The clamp-on design allows for quick installation in just a few minutes. If installed on the headlight, it remains illuminated at all times, while on the brake light, it lights up only when the brake is applied. Just imagine how impressive it would look on a car like the Lamborghini Aventador, truly capturing everyone's attention. License Plate Hider. With this license plate hider, you have the ability to make your license plate disappear within seconds by simply pressing a button. This feature enables you to go untraceable swiftly. It is compatible with standard vehicles in the US, Canada, and other countries that follow US standards. Installing this license plate frame is straightforward, but be prepared to sharpen your driving skills if you decide to use this remarkable gadget. Automatic Lock-Picking Device. This automatic lock-picking device can prove useful in situations where you have lost your keys. It serves as a portable tool that can help you pick locks. If you have access to a 3D printer, you can create this mini snap pick gun yourself. To make it, you'll need a thin windshield wiper metal insert, some hand tools, a few rubber bands, and a significant amount of time. Once complete, you'll have a powerful and portable lock-picking tool that you can take with you wherever you go. However, it is important to note that some argue against selling such devices, as they have the potential to be misused for nefarious purposes. And that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.